Guys, this is I at the top of the Eiffel Tower, and isn't that just amazing? Like, just to stand there, it's so high up. Once you get to the top, everybody starts to go, whoa, because it's all glass, and it's so beautiful. The base, I'm going to show you, this is a picture of the base of the Eiffel Tower. Pretty cool, bigger than you'd expect, and the actual trees I'm going to show you in this next picture, they're bigger than you'd expect too, which makes the Eiffel Tower even taller, and I got a video I want to show everyone. We're here. We're at the top of the Eiffel Tower. We're here. Oh my gosh. Anyway, but everybody, it's a must go to. I'm going to show you the pictures I got of the Mona Lisa. I'm Owen Shapiro. I'm out. Stay cinematic.